Good morning, folks. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Just to let you know, it's about to get loud. Hey, I'm watching the cashier. I'm watching him. Cashier is about to get loud to join me to say he still has his voice and he's talking. Well, let's wrap it up and let's do it. To the cashier. Start talking to see if the people can hear you. Anyways, last time I was here, this is where I left off. And I said that I'd be back with a part 2. I'm back with part 2 and the continuation. So if it ends up into something else other than the copper wires that I dealt with in part 1, then it ends up there because this has to do with several things that has taken place, and we about to get into it. So in continuation from no, he did not follow me when I got the key from my daughter at school, because she was the only one that went to school that day, I believe, because my son ended up sick. That's right. So he did not follow me. However, someone had said to me that I would be followed in order to try and get my house key because a certain person has nowhere to stay. By the time I'm reading this to all of you, this certain person is trying to get the house key from my daughter. Why? Because they have nowhere to stay and they don't want to use the garage in order to enter. To say that they broke in the house in order to be charged with break and enter. So, I'm not even going to not go into it, but yes, I saw Satan on the bus Tuesday evening. This man had the symbol of Satan tattooed on his face on the bus. I never got off the bus so goddamn fast in my goddamn life. I never got off the bus so damn fast in my damn life, not taking any chances to sign any motherfucking deal with a motherfucker that got the satanic symbol on his face tattooed in order to say I'm signing a motherfucking deal with the motherfucker. What's up, DJ Kyle? What's up? I'm not signing no motherfucking deal with you. I never moved so motherfucking fast where this is literally the second or third time in my life that I moved that motherfucking fast to get off the motherfucking bus because I ain't signing no deal with a motherfucker. When I say no, I mean fucking no. I don't mean yes. I don't mean maybe. I don't mean I'll think. I don't mean on none of that bullshit. My no is a motherfucking no. I don't want no money from your birthed land, motherfucker. I don't want the bullshit. I don't want no money from your motherfucking company coming to me through PR. I don't want that bullshit, okay? However, if you do want to contact me through PR, please use the email attached, and that is how I will send you the name that the product should be sent to, as my YouTube channel name is just that. It is just my YouTube channel name. It is not the name in which I receive all my mails from the government or the general public. That is not how I receive my mail. So if you want to send me a PR, the name that you should send it to me in is Sheree Stewart. SHEREESTEEWART. I have already shown the government ID with my photo on Instagram. If you want to go there in order to get the correct spelling of my name in order to send me PR, then so be it. You will be sending it to me, the correct person. So, with that being said, in advance, I would like to thank all companies that do end up sending me PR notifications, PR products in order to test to see if I like it. And I will let you know my truthful, honest thoughts in regards to each product. So, with that being said, let's continue with finishing off with this. Now, in reading this, no, he was my real father. That was Bun Bun, who was following you. Where did he go? So apparently, I was being followed by an uncle who was hired by the Fabulouses once again to say they got me to give them the money, which is the key to the front door to the house, so they could stop using the garage, so that Satan would not be homeless and that he wouldn't have to use the garage. Do I look dumb and stupid to you, motherfuckers? Even before I met his ass on the bus. This was written on the 23rd of April in 2021 at 10:01 a.m. Do I look that dumb and stupid? When did I run into Satan? Today is the 24th of September 2022. So that would have been the 21st. The 21st, Tuesday the 21st at 4:30 p.m. that I ran into Satan on the bus. The 21st of September 2022. Why the fuck do I keep saying October? Why the fuck do I keep saying October? Tuesday the 21st of September 2022. And because I wrote this on April the 23rd, 2021, them fabulous bitches tried to get people to say as me that I gave them the motherfucking key to give it to Satan, so that I could say I be worshipping his motherfucking hands, because he meets you on the 21st of every motherfucking month in order to fuck you up to give you the motherfucking key. Except for the month of October, but now he's gonna meet me on the month of October on the 21st in order to try and get the motherfucking key from me again. Let's talk about that too in another future video when that shit does happen, apparently. Anyway, in order to cover the uncle that I saw this morning, he went to Hamilton to follow somebody else to make sure that somebody did not give them the washing machine in order to come after me for it at this motherfucking time. So I told you motherfuckers, I have backed the fuck up. I have backed the fuck up truck. I have backed the fuck up truck that I will make sure to give them a motherfucking job in order to get people to stay the fuck away from me, to not say that I gave a motherfucker no motherfucking washing. Turns out he was in the motherfucking laundromat using motherfucking money given to him by one of the fabulous bitches to wash his own motherfucking clothes and one motherfucking underwear bitch. A bitch whooped your ass with one motherfucking draws from a motherfucker. An extra large motherfucking panty to a kid's motherfucking underwear. A kid's motherfucking underwear. Bitch. Who the fuck do you think I am, motherfucker? It turns out that this same motherfucker, he purchased a house, as in he rented a townhouse in Hamilton so that no one would be able to bother him, because it's a government rented townhouse and you cannot rent a basement or have anyone else stay there to pay rent, as it is counted as extra money being earned from the government, and you can lose your rental property from the government in that same motherfucking form. Who the fuck do you think I am? Who the fuck do you think I am? So, in the same breath, when they're trying to use someone to get laundry from me, as in laundry money from the Fabulous Sisters, guess what? This motherfucker is signing a deal for a rental property from the motherfucking government housing, in this bitch's motherfucking name as Angela Carter Strahan. Yes, in Angela Carter Strahan's name. Yes, motherfucker, yes. Yes, motherfucker. Yes. In this motherfucker's name, in April of 2020 fucking one, April of 2020 fucking one, a 3 motherfucking bedroom, a 3 motherfucking bedroom in 2020 fucking one, 2020 fucking one, bitch, to say that I gave him the motherfucking washing machine. Did I really do that shit? Did I really do that shit? No, motherfucker, I did not, because I fucked you up with it, bitch, by giving it to you to say I want you, motherfucker. What's up, duck? Anyways, that's it for this part 2 of all that bullshit. I want to say thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more bullshit like this. Once again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.